Yo, what is going on, fam? I'm back. So we are back in the States. I'm in Richmond, Virginia. If you guys didn't see my last channel update video, make sure to check that out just to get up to speed. But if you did, then you already know what this is. So this is the new project truck. It's a 2001 3500 Duramax, 6.6 LB7 with the Allison 1000 transmission. So yeah, this is my work truck that I picked up. This is probably the least desirable Duramax that they made, you know, because the first one was plagued with a bit of issues, but you can get these for pretty good deals, and I think I swept this up for a pretty good deal. It's a retired service truck. But yeah, let's check over the truck right quick, then I'll go over what my plans are for the truck. So let's start with the interior. I haven't even been in the truck today, so this is the interior right here. Pretty clean, especially for the age and the mileage. This has 230,000 miles up on it, so definitely not the most I'm not even sure what the word I'm looking for is. It's been used is what I'm trying to allude to. Headliner sagging. It's cool though. I plan to do like a cool like headliner thing with this, so that's not even a big deal. Automatic. Steering wheels has seen better days, but that's all good though, cause I bought a new steering wheel, so I'm not even worried about that. So we're gonna get that changed out. Everything works in the interior. The radio works, but there's no power coming through the speakers. I feel like it's probably just I feel like the speakers have probably just been trashed through 30,000 miles, and they all just blew out after a while. But yeah, man, pretty clean. It is a dually, so double axle, all that good stuff. It has these compartments right here, and they're all around the truck. Moving to the back, we got this little truck toolbox right here, but it literally blocks the whole view. Can't see anything. So a rear view camera is in the future. Super loud. Yeah. So a rear view camera is in the future for this truck when I upgrade the radio, for sure. Body is super duper mint. There's like no rust whatsoever throughout this truck. Like, body super mint. I know you guys probably can't see like a whole lot down there, but take my word for it, super mint. Now let's go ahead and pop the hood of this bad boy. So, a little story about how I got this truck. I bought this truck while I was still in Germany. I found it on Craigslist, of course, where all the good deals are found. And it looked like a really clean truck. It was a good deal. It was what I was looking for. I really didn't want a dually, but this truck seemed pretty clean. So I was like, you know, I'm not opposed to the dually, so figured I would give it a try. So the truck was clean, in and out. So I ended up picking up the truck, and then I had my dad drive it back down, got it here. One thing with this generation of trucks is blown head gaskets are pretty common, and two, injectors go out frequently because of their design, and also they're super duper expensive to replace. Like a set of injectors are like $1,300 for this. So I bought this on a whim, not knowing the condition of the injectors. I wasn't able to check the balance rates or anything like that. So honestly, that was a bit terrifying for me, but I took a chance, you know, took a chance up on it. And it does have some blue smoke at idle that might actually indicate bad injectors, but we're gonna see, because I'm gonna do a fuel treatment on these injectors to try to bring them back and just clean up like any particles and stuff that may be inside of them. So I'm gonna have a video coming up on that. But yeah, truck's pretty clean. Truck's pretty clean throughout. What is going on? Truck is pretty clean throughout. One of the things though, well, just to go over some of the things that I'm looking to do, pretty much a small lift all around the truck. So just like a 2.5 inch lift all around, 22-inch dually wheels. Going to do intake, exhaust, and a tune up on it. This is like pre-emissions or for the diesels. So there's no cats, there's none of that EGR stuff like that on this truck. So this like is pre all of that. So yeah, so it's a pretty decent base to come and modify. It looks like it has pretty fresh batteries, but who knows, could have just cleaned those off, you know how that goes. But overall the truck is very clean. My intent for this truck is to be sort of a little daily tow rig type of thing, but something clean and something fun to drive around, you know, big old truck, but I think it will serve my needs right. One of the biggest things that has to go is these mirrors. I've already ordered new mirrors. Then I'm gonna put like some rubber grommets just to keep water and stuff from getting in there. I bought like those little decal things to remove all these decals and just clean this up. You know, eventually I want to do like a little paint job and just like repaint this. And then I need to, with this rear part, it got bent. I mean, you know, I'm guessing they backed into something, but this is also a little bit loose. So I want to go through and drill this out, just put new bolts in there, right there. You know, just something simple, nothing too crazy, for real. So yeah, so nothing too crazy for real. But this is the truck right here. So we're gonna have some Duramax content coming to the channel. I'm also working on closing my house still. That's not done yet though, so so I don't want to show you guys the house until I actually close up on the house. But once I close up on the house, we'll do a house tour and I'll show you guys, because we're gonna be renovating my whole house, so that's gonna be exciting stuff too. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think it's a pretty clean truck, if it, you know, if it was a good buy, if you like this build idea for the truck, and if you guys are interested in seeing this. Obviously this is going to bring a whole nother audience to the channel. So, you know, just one of those things. There could be how-to videos, stuff like that. Obviously I don't expect y'all to watch it if it doesn't apply to you, you feel me? But you know, this is just to bring in revenue and things like that to the channel, because it is what it is. But yep, this is the tow rig. So I'm excited to be going through this and, you know, and making new content based on this. So take it easy. I'm out. Hold on. How am I gonna have a video and not even start the truck for you guys? What am I doing? So got the little wait to start. Got the glow plugs, of course. Oh, it sounds so good when it starts up. Oh, it sounds so good. I think I might need a new belt. That belt looks a little loose. It actually might need a new tensioner. Yep. So that's a truck. I don't want to give it any revs because I'm gonna have to let it idle for a while, that stuff. But you guys know what's up. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take it easy. I'm out.
Coach.